Hey guys, today we are playing Survival Mr. Free from the Killer. So, here's the description said, survive from Flamingo the Killer. Don't forget to click favorite, follow, like. Have a nice survival play. That's it. So let's play guys. Oh my gosh. What is that floating on the sky? Oh my gosh. It's so scary.
O anong sabi sa akin ni Salve,
Oh my gosh.
nagpunta rin niya ng Manista, malalim daw, 27. Sagat daw sa ilog, sabi niya.
Oh my gosh. Mr. Freedom. Oh no. Oh. Oh shit. Run.
Yun.
Run guys.
Yun nga ang aking
Run.
kinukong magaling.
Run.
Kay Johnny.
Run guys.
Ngayon nga, wala nga diyan.
Mr. Freedom trying to kill me.
Kayo yung magpunta,
Oh shit.
Nung kayo bumalik, hapon na, ng
Oh you can't.
19
Oh you can't.
hanggang sa kayo hindi pa nabalik.
Oh my gosh.
At
Oh my gosh.
sabi ko tinatawagan,
Mr. Flimflam, I'm sorry.
ang ibig ko sabihin,
Oh, what does it say? Hey, I'm the holy tree. Oh no. Please don't kill me.
lampas kung hindi.
Oh damn.
Kasi yung doon sa natunog, di ba?
Oh, you stop.
Nag-record mo eh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't do it anymore.
Kasi nung unang tingin niya, ay 6 meter. Sa kami nakalagpas.
I can't do it anymore. It's so scary.
Wala pa rin kami nakikita. Wala ka mang
So,
nakikita. Ngayon,
like and subscribe to Nova.
Tinigilan.